Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a scatter plot diagram in Microsoft Excel. So I have some data here, a little bit of background about the data. The years is employees' years of experience in a company. So 5 years, 4 years, 8 years, 10 years, and then the salaries of those specific employees. I'm not sure if this is a large company and there was a sample taken, but I'm almost sure that's the case, unless they took the data from a small company. So to create our scatter plot, all we need to do is select the data, go to the Insert tab, select the scatter option. You have a few different scatter options. This is the basic scatter plot. The other options, look, we can look at the other options from here. Oh. So I'm not really sure what type of analysis you would do, let's say with this option or this option. I mean, they're there if you want to use them, but I'm not really sure from school or work. I've never had to use another one of these different types of scatter plots, only this one. So for me to do a quick analysis in a scatter plot, I can already tell there's a direct relationship because the data is moving to the right. So as years become greater, then salary becomes greater. Definitely have a direct relationship or a positive relationship. But if you're not sure, you can insert a line to try to make that analysis. Here we go. It seems that has to be over. See, if you have a correlation of these two data sets, or these two variables, if you have a correlation of 0.9 to 1, then yeah, it's definitely highly correlated. I would say that this is over 0.9 for sure. So positive relationship. If it were a negative relationship or an indirect relationship, the data would be going this way. So as one variable increases, another would decrease, and this is how the data would set on the graph. And if you didn't really know and you just had data everywhere, you would just have an indirect relationship. This is definitely a direct relationship. So leave my line on there. And just to look at the correlation, we can look at the Correl function. I'm pretty sure it's over 90. Yeah, 90.94, so yeah, highly correlated. So another way, oh, and one mistake, I don't know why, this is what I don't like about adding this graph. Maybe a few graphs that do this. It's not adding the horizontal axis. I don't know why. I selected all this data. I don't know if that's a bug or if there's a specific reason why Excel doesn't do that. So to add a chart axis, we'll go to axis titles, horizontal. So this is years of experience. Select this again. So yeah, oops. Yeah, there's a lot of other things that we could, I could actually put a trend line in. I'm doing it the old way. So let's put a trend line in from the options here. This is definitely going to be, okay, linear trend. This line is definitely going to be better than the one I put in. So yeah, that's how you insert a scatter plot. You can also use some of these options to make some changes. I was actually looking for an option. That I didn't see available. Okay, but anyways, the other way that I would use to insert this graph, and I don't think you would have all the chart design options. Like, look here, I can even change the look of the chart. Less options, but a quick way to get the data. We could use in the Home tab, oops, select the data, and then go to Analyze Data. If you're not worried about design, you can just have a basic graph right here. Insert chart. Just by looking at the data, Excel already knows that this is the most likely chart that we're going to need. So that's a quick way to get it. But like I said, you're not going to have all the options you have with this chart as far as changing the look and then changing whatever you need to change in the layout. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.